I want orange bike, please. I want an orange bike, please. She needs new pencil sharpener. She needs a new pencil sharpener. He has 2 brothers and sister. He has 2 brothers and a sister. Judy is English name. Judy is an English name. This is awful song. This is an awful song. Give me pencil, please. Give me a pencil, please. There is also uniform in the wardrobe. There is also a uniform in the wardrobe. Do you want apple? Do you want an apple? I have got new mobile phone. I have got a new mobile phone. Do you want egg for breakfast? Do you want an egg for breakfast? She has empty glass. She has an empty glass. Tina has got aunt in London. Tina has got an aunt in London. Let's have pizza for dinner. Let's have a pizza for dinner. There is picture on the wall in my room. There is a picture on the wall in my room. James often wears old leather jacket. James often wears an old leather jacket. I sometimes have hamburger for lunch. I sometimes have a hamburger for lunch. Mrs. Carter is English teacher. Mrs. Carter is an English teacher. The bus leaves in hour. The bus leaves in an hour. They go to restaurant. They go to a restaurant. My sister often wears skirt. My sister often wears a skirt. On the table there is expensive vase. On the table there is an expensive vase. He usually wears gray hat in winter. He usually wears a gray hat in winter. We have nice dog. We have a nice dog. Take umbrella with you. Take an umbrella with you. What excellent idea. What an excellent idea. They live in big house. They live in a big house. We have got uncle who lives in Paris. We have got an uncle who lives in Paris. Send me text message, please. Send me a text message, please. He never wears watch. He never wears a watch. Lend me eraser, please. Lend me an eraser, please. She likes ice cream for dessert. She likes an ice cream for dessert. What ugly shirt. What an ugly shirt. This is important message. This is an important message. My sister drives red car. My sister drives a red car. My hometown has university. My hometown has a university. Take bite from my burger. Take a bite from my burger. They often spend their holidays on island. They often spend their holidays on an island. Can you tell me funny story? Can you tell me a funny story? This is easy exercise. This is an easy exercise. I need iPad for school. I need an iPad for school.